Welcome to another video, and today we are going to do a pack opening. So let's start off right now. Boom. Western. Show you on 200 NBA case. Let's go. See what we get. Damn, that's some trash right there, guys. Okay. Player packs. No, I don't want that. I want that. Okay, see what we get. Oh wait, oh, I thought it was elite. It was elite. Damn it. Okay, so Garrett Jack. I don't know. 81 speed, 84 dribbling, 66 3-pointer, 63 shooting. Is he a point guard? Okay. Dang, 43 pointer, center. Okay, he's pretty bad. 69 3-pointer. I don't know. Continue. Let's continue this. Okay, and last pack, reveal that. I don't think that's that bad. Michael Carter Williams. He's not that bad at all, but he's a terrible 3-pointer though. 83 passing, 88 speed, which is not that bad, so I might actually use him. And then we got the, if you guys didn't see this video I posted, I'll go watch it. It's called I crossed him up, and I crossed the crap out of this guy right here. I think Joe Harris. Sorry, that's my phone. Boban. They're pretty trash. Damn, that's pretty trash. Ooh, let's go for this bottle. Contains 2 Pro Packs. Let's buy it. Just joking, I don't want to buy it. I kind of want to buy this one. Ooh. Whoa. 4 singers fresh in the top part of a series 4 singers of, what's this? Wait, leave your mark with this. The 10 on my pack that guarantees a signature series player and additional elite player. Offer ends May 10th. Damn, that's a good offer. Sheet. So the packs today were pretty trash. I'll build some more coins and we'll get more packs later. But pretty trash today. Pretty trash. I'm gonna start trying to build up more team. And sorry for not posting in a while. See you guys in another video. Bye.